Hi friends, we are on day number 31 of our 60 days live trading campaign. We have crossed half the journey and comfortably placed as of now since we are in profit. But if it was in negative, then the situation would have been completely different. But nevertheless, as of now, let us not worry about it. We are in profits. And the quote for today is success occurs when opportunity meets preparation. Okay, so you have to be well prepared with all your basics, with all your system. Only then success will come towards you. So without wasting much time, let us look into the live trading video of Friday, and the stock selected was Ibull Housing Finance. And yes, I agree, we found a trend in the stock. That is the reason why we are taking a trend output. That is, we are doing the breakouts. Okay, so the levels for breakout are 741 and 742, and we are calculating a target of 0.6% and a stop loss of 0.4%, which is a very good number, very good figure, a very good ratio of 1:1.2. And then we can also see that we are able to get decent enough profits. Okay, the same way we are keeping our sell levels as well. We are doing the breakouts. We are not going to predict whether the market is going top or down. We are only deciding whether it is trending or whether it is ranging. So you can see both the orders have been placed, and then when one of the order gets triggered, we have to cancel other, nothing else to be done. And then as of today at 1 o'clock, the stock is in a negative position, and you can see around 2 o'clock we got our stop loss was hit, that is 999. So it doesn't matter, we'll quickly update into our Excel sheet, and the profit is 999. So we can see that we had continuous 4 profits, back to back profits, which has finally time has come for a stop loss. It doesn't matter, a profit of close to 15,000 rupees, good enough, not a bad deal out of 50,000 rupees. And this is how the journey is going on, friends. So if at all you want to join this campaign, if you want to join along with me this campaign, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.